Hi everyone! In this video, we'll look at how to connect Google Calendar with Blitzit, so all your meetings, calls, and scheduled tasks automatically show up in your daily Blitzit workflow. This integration turns your calendar into an actionable task list, letting you work with deep focus and execute everything from one place. Let's get started. Open Blitzit and click the app's icon in the top right corner. From here, choose Google Calendar by clicking the Connect button. Sign in with the Google account you want to use and grant access. Once authorized, select the list you want to connect your calendar to and click Link Now. Keep in mind that each list can only have one Google Calendar account connected at a time. Once your Google Calendar is linked, you'll see two tabs: Calendars and Settings. Before syncing, let's open Settings to customize how your calendar will connect. You can select the date range to choose how far ahead you want to import events: current week, which goes by default, until the end of the next week, and until the end of the third week. This helps you focus on the near future without crowding your list with distant events. This preview here helps you immediately see how far ahead Blitzit will sync your calendar, so you can focus on the right time frame. With the events type, you can decide whether to bring all events or accepted events only into Blitzit. Accepted events only option is great if you are invited to many optional meetings but want to focus on confirmed ones. Sync delete option lets you control how deletions behave. When enabled, deleting a task in Blitzit will also delete the linked event in Google Calendar. However, deleting an event in Google Calendar only unlinks it from Blitzit. It doesn't delete the Blitzit task itself. This keeps your task notes or any progress you've tracked safe inside Blitzit. Once your settings are configured, you are ready to choose which calendars to sync. Switch back to the Calendars tab. Here, you'll see all the calendars available in your Google account. Select the calendars you want to bring into Blitzit. When you're done, click Save Updated Calendars and Sync. All upcoming events from the date range you chose will now appear in your Blitzit list as tasks. So each event becomes an actionable task you can manage using Blitzit's features, such as timers, focus mode, subtasks, and notes. You can see that they appear in different columns: backlog, this week, and today, depending on the scheduled dates. Now, if you have any new events in Google Calendar, they will automatically appear in Blitzit. Changes made to your events in Google Calendar, like updating the time or title, will sync automatically with Blitzit as well. This integration currently works one way, from Google Calendar to Blitzit. That means changes you make in Blitzit won't yet reflect back in Google Calendar, but that's planned for future updates. Each synced event appears in Blitzit with notes, including any meeting or call links. If your event includes a Google Meet link, Blitzit automatically places it in the Notes section. When you start Blitz mode, those links open automatically, so you can join meetings directly without losing focus. You'll also receive reminders for upcoming events within Blitzit, just like with any other task. And that's how you integrate Google Calendar with Blitzit. If you found this tutorial helpful, check out our other videos on Notion and ClickUp integrations. And be sure to join our Discord community where you can connect with fellow users. Happy Blitzing!